Another 5 more memory gems. Proverbs 3, verses 5 to 6, Common English Bible. 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't rely on your own intelligence. 6. Know him in all your paths, and he will keep your ways straight. Philippians 4, verses 12 to 13. Common English Bible. 12. I know the experience of being in need and of having more than enough. I have learned the secret to being content in any and every circumstance. Whether full or hungry, or whether having plenty or being poor. 13. I can endure all these things through the power of the one who gives me strength. Hebrews 13, verse 5, Common English Bible. Your way of life should be free from the love of money, and you should be content with what you have. After all, he has said, I will never leave you or abandon you. Proverbs 17, verse 16, Common English Standard Version. Why should a fool have money in his hand to buy wisdom when he has no sense? 1 Timothy 6, verses 8 to 11. Common English Bible. 8. We'll be happy with food and clothing. 9. But people who are trying to get rich fall into temptation. They are trapped by many stupid and harmful passions that plunge people into ruin and destruction. 10. The love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. Some have wandered away from the faith and have impaled themselves with a lot of pain because they made money their goal. 11. But as for you, man of God, run away from all these things. Instead, pursue righteousness, holy living, faithfulness, love, endurance, and gentleness.